Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa.
Hello everyone, welcome to At Home with Lisa. Happy holidays everyone. Thank you all so much for clicking on the video today. Today we're going to be working on the countertop and we are going to be doing a wooden reindeer vignette. Yes, we're going to be doing a little bit of styling for Christmas on our countertop. So go ahead and sit back, relax, grab your drink and grab your snack as I create this beautiful styling for you. And I pray that it inspire you or motivate you in some type of way. My entire goal for each video that I put out is to ensure that you're able to take something away from the video. So please trust the process. And if this is your first time here, welcome. I hope you like this type of content. But if you're not sure right now, just keep on watching to the end of the video. And if you're interested, click on that subscribe button and the notification bell. Now, let's completely get into this video. Love bugs, thank you all so much for tuning in today to this beautiful wooden reindeer styling. So to tell you a little bit about what I have created here is I used a round gold tray for my base. Then I added the vase. It is very beautiful, you all. It has galvanized handles that has a distressed look to them. I also added a bushel of greenery along with this beautiful brown and gold poinsettia on each side. And I also went back and added a couple of acorns and a couple of sprays into this styling. Now the star of the show are these two wooden reindeers. They're absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you all love this styling as much as I love creating it for you. It was very easy, very simple to do, just to give your kitchen or your countertop a different look for the holiday season. As you all already know, I am going with the brown tones, the golds, the beiges, the creams, and the grays. Now also I forgot to mention this beautiful candle that I have lit here. It is perfect for this vignette styling here on my countertop. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love the look of this ensemble that I have created for you all. So I hope that you all enjoyed this and that you can take something away from this video in a positive way. Please, if you can and if you don't mind, give this video a big thumbs up. Also leave me some comments down below so I will know that you did drop by to say, hey girl, hey. And I hope you all have also started decorating for the holidays, that you're in the holiday spirit. Again, thank you all so much. I cannot do this without you all. And with that being said, At Home with Lisa is signing off, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye, love bugs. See y'all in the next.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home.